Madam Shoko Noda, the resident representative of UNDP, Rupa Misra, the Mission Director and the Joint Secretary of Swachh Bharat Mission Urban, the various Additional Chief Secretaries, Principal Secretaries, Municipal Commissioners, and the officers and various other stakeholders, development partners, my own team, who have joined today physically or through the digital mode. At the outset, let me first thank UNDP for joining hands with us for addressing the issue of collection, segregation, recovery of the wealth from the West, and also addressing the issue of the plastic waste. In fact, UNDP has been working with us for the last couple of years. I remember Mr. Sodhi, with whom I have visited some of the cities, and UNDP had taken responsibilities in certain cities like Indore, Varanasi, various cities, where they have created a kind of institution where the kabadiwala, those who collect the waste, mostly the dry waste, how this can be segregated and how you can get the best wealth out of these waste, which are the dry waste. In fact, based on that experience, now we are now entering into an MOU, and this is the year of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, which was launched in March 2021 and going up to 2023. This year, 75th year of Indian independence, is so much important to all of us. UNDP is taking responsibility of developing 75 Swachhta Kendra during this year, in the next 1 year. And these 75 Swachhta Kendra are going to be a central point, a nodal point in a city where all the dry waste will get collected, will get segregated, will be converted into useful material in such a way so that you can get the best out of it. And I'm sure this is going to add to our Swachh Bharat Mission Urban 2.0. The objective, the basic objective of making our cities garbage free. That is the most, there are various other objectives, but this is the most important thing, which was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister on 1st of October this year. I will also call upon other bodies, the other international bodies to have similar kind of, like we are already working with few of them. That they are going to be the kind of the technical knowledge, the technical experience they bring in, and that is going to aid and assist our cities to address the issue of Swachhta, mostly the municipal solid waste. Also, I will request to such kind of collaboration in the use water, because ultimately our focus is to improve our environment, whether it is the land or water or the air. What we can do so that we can give our citizens a better quality of air, minimum pollution. What is that we can do so that we can give our citizens a better quality of water, whether it is the ponds or rivers or whatever. Like the city of Indore, as a water plus city, where I visited the city and saw the Khan and Sarsi River, I was such an amazing experience. The same rivers which were looking so dirty, now you can see fishes swimming there. They are so clean now. Or it is the land. That is you get out of this dump site. All the big dumps, big heaps of solid waste, they are not there. So we need that kind of a cooperation, and not only at the central level, even the state and the city level, such kind of collaborations are most welcome. So let me thank UNDP for joining hands with us. Today only we launched Swachh Technology Challenge, and there, with the assistance of AFD, which is a development partner from France, we are going to have a big challenge, and the process has been launched today, when all our cities are going to participate into use of technology for better management of the waste. So this technology again is going to play a very important role in the MOU which we have signed, and I'm sure you are going to bring value into it. So thank you once again, and thank you my team for coming up, for bringing this MOU signed today. So all the very best. Thank you.